Sukhamam Tatah Sukham. This is a Sanskrit shloka and the English paraphrase goes like this: true or complete knowledge gives a discipline. From discipline comes worthiness. From worthiness one gets wealth. From wealth one does or one ought to do altruistic deeds, in other words, good deeds, and from that eventually comes joy. I am Guru Narayana PS, I am Professor of English, and I will be the presenter of today's commencement ceremony. Afternoon greetings to all of you, ladies and gentlemen. Anything that begins has a moment of commencement. Therefore, graduation ceremony is called commencement. You are on the threshold of new life, and this transition we want to happen in a very smooth manner. And this also we wish to be very promising to all of you. This day, I strongly believe, will be etched in your memory forever, won't it? To all the graduates, good luck. Not just mounting this dais without falling over, but in all your endeavors in your future life. It is customary for us to begin any auspicious program by invoking the Almighty. Let us earnestly appeal to the Lord. O Lord, we prostrate at your feet and unconditionally surrender to you. May I now call upon Professor Revati, the Department of Kannada, to sing the invocation song. Please, ma'am.
Shiva,
Professor Revati, your song indeed has invoked bhakti in everybody. Thank you very much for your wonderful song. The forthcoming event, ladies and gentlemen, is the declaration of the Graduation Day Open. Now, I request our most venerable secretary, Srimati Usha Gangadhara, to declare the Graduation Day Open. Please, ma'am.
Provisional course certificates upon the candidates of the colleges who have been certified worthy of the degrees by the SDC College. I have great pleasure in declaring open this graduation day. I am great pleasure in declaring open this graduation day.
Thank you very much, dear madam. Now I request our Reverend Principal, Professor K. Pushpalata, to welcome the august gathering. Please, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Ananda, respected dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, my dear students. Once again, good morning to Ananda. Honorable guests, Secretary Madam, guests of honor, HODs, coordinators of various departments, dear faculty fraternity, PRO, non-teaching staff, dear students, technicians, media. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you all to the graduation ceremony at SCC College, Kolar. First batch students under Bangalore North University receiving graduation certificates. It's proud and pride moment for our students as well as our institution. I, on behalf of SCC Kolar, assure you that many of our students will be Bangalore North University rank achievers, centum holders and gold medalists. The pride of our college reached to the sky level because today, the chief guest of today's function, the Register Evaluation, Professor Janardhanam sir, well-known academician and a social worker, is pride to welcome sir in absentia because of his busy schedule. Sir has not present here. So in absentia, I would like to welcome you, sir. Welcome you, sir. As a token of love and appreciation, may I request our Secretary Madam, the group of institution, Mrs. Usha Gangadhara Madam, to welcome sir in absentia. Thank you, Madam. Now I take immense pleasure in welcoming Mrs. Usha Gangadhara Madam, Secretary of SCC Group of Institutions. Welcome you, ma'am. Now I would like to take this opportunity to extend a warm welcome to our guest of honor, Professor S.A. Jetty sir, Principal SCC College, Bangalore. I, on behalf of SCC, welcome you, sir. Now I take pleasure in welcoming various department HODs and coordinators. Welcome one and all. I take pleasure in welcoming our faculty fraternity. Welcome one and all. At the same time, I take pleasure in welcoming PRO, non-teaching staff and my dear students. Now, I like to welcome the technicians and media people for this graduation ceremony. Last but not least, today's stars of the event are my lovely students. I welcome you all. Thank you, and all.
Dear audience, knowledge removes ignorance just as light removes darkness. Knowledge is the lasting inner wealth by which all our achievements can be accomplished successfully. Hence, we light the lamp to bow down to knowledge as the greatest of all forms of wealth. The oil in the lamp symbolizes negative tendencies while the wick denotes ego. When lit by knowledge, the negative tendencies exhaust and ego too perishes eventually. Now it's time for the inauguration of the commencement ceremony. Now I request the dignitaries to inaugurate the commencement ceremony by lighting the lamp. Please, sirs, stand in the stage.
ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಕರುನಾಡ ದೀಪ ಸಿರಿನುಡಿಯ ದೀಪ ಒಲವೆತ್ತಿ ತೋರುವ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಹಚ್ಚೇವು ಕನ್ನಡದ ದೀಪ ಬಹುದಿನಗಳಿಂದ ಮೈಮರೆಯಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿರುವ ಕೊಳೆಯ ಕೊಚ್ಚೆ
The well begun is half done, goes in adage in English. By the grace of the Almighty, the commencement ceremony or the graduation day has begun very well, and I believe by the grace of the Almighty it will go on smoothly. The forthcoming event is the enunciation of the annual report. I request our beloved principal to enunciate the annual report. Please, ma'am.
Good afternoon to all and all. Distinguished invitees of today's graduation day ceremony, the chief guest of today's function, registrar evaluation, Professor Janardhanam sir, and chief guest of honor today's function, Professor S.A. Jetty sir, Secretary of SDC Institution, Srimati Usha Gangadhar madam, HODs, coordinators of different departments, teaching fraternity, non-teaching staff, my dear students, a warm welcome to you all. At the very outset, I would like to proposally thank our esteemed guest who has honored us by their presence despite having busy schedules. Here is annual report of our college, SCC College, established in the year 2008-9 by our founder, Madam Secretary, Srimati Usha Gangadhar. It started with instruction of 100 students. At present, 1,700 students are pursuing in our esteemed institution. Our reputation and recent ranking emerged our brand SCC Kolar. Our college being awarded B grade by NAC has placed us as the topmost rated college in Kolar district. We started PG program in the year 2016 with MCOM and MSc Mathematics stream. SCC completes 13 years of its journey in academic excellence. The success of online classes. The past year was unlike any other that has been witnessed by any of us. The impact of COVID-19 brought about sweeping changes in all spheres of life. But at the approach to the online mode in education called for swift actions and preparedness from the part of all involved. We have tried to act most efficiently under the limited social conditions to deliver quality education. Over time, we have evolved the most effective procedure of curriculum transaction in the circumstances. The pandemic has been a great teacher. We grow better at listening, not assuming that everyone's realities are the same, and focusing on things that truly matter above all. Finally, we intend enlightened education too. Coming to the national festivals play an important role in planting the seed of nationalism and patriotism among the people of our nation. Celebration of these festivals commemorates the sacrifice of our freedom fighters who had laid down their lives in the foundation of our country. By following the SOP, we celebrated all national festivals like Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti and Republic Day. Academic performance of our students. The number of Bangalore University rank achievers, centum achievers, gold medalists are on the rise of every year. The 2017-20 batch undergraduate students of our college secured 2 Bangalore University ranks, 96 centums, 2 gold medals by the STC College. It stands topmost among the affiliated colleges in terms of number of ranks and centums produced. Now, within 13 years of decade, so our students has grabbed 12 ranks from the university level. In this academic year, the last academic year, passed out student Sandhya L. She achieved first rank in BCA department. This is one more feather to the crown of STC. The another student by name Anusha Singh, she secured 10th rank in BCA. That's a great achievement from the science department. The congratulations students. Shubha N, she got gold medal in physical chemistry in BSc stream. Swati M, she got gold medal in physical chemistry in BSc stream. Congratulations to the students Shubha and Swati. Achievement by the faculties. Some of the members of the faculty served as resource persons in different professional developments and events. Papers were published by the faculty during the academic year. In our college, we have conducted COVID awareness program. Our college organized COVID-19 awareness program by following SOP. Almost all are benefited with the awareness program. This is done for the benefits of the students, where they can follow SOP without any least hesitations. Coming to the vaccination drive. The COVID-19 vaccine drive at STC was launched on June 28, 2021. Many students, faculties, teaching staff and outsiders took the first dose of vaccination at our college premises. It's a really pride moment for us to join in the hands of good cause. Coming to the campus drive placement, to give the proper justice without minding pandemic by following SOP, we conducted campus drives. ICICI Bank recently came to our college 1 month back and has indicated many of our students from all the streams. Passed out batch. Coming to the webinar, we organized special webinar for the students in order to give the training on interview skills on resume writing, and in webinar it is also discussed about the abroad studies, how to get the opportunities in abroad with scholarship facilities. So with this brief note, I express my gratitude for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you, Varana. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you very much, ma'am, for enunciating the annual report. Many laurels, centums, achievements, and that is why STC becomes the first choice in this vicinity for the students. Professor Satyajit Roy, the Vice Principal and Head of the BCA. We welcome you very heartily, sir. Welcome you very heartily for this commencement program. Professor Abhimanyu is requested to welcome Professor Satyajit Roy. A big round of applause. Thank you, Professor Abhimanyu. And the upcoming event of the commencement ceremony is the pledge. May I now request our Honorable Principal, Professor K. Pushpalata, to administer the pledge to all the graduates. All of you are requested to stand up without noise. please cease the noise, stretch your arm, and after man finishes uttering the words, you are supposed to say, I do promise. Please follow this instruction very carefully. Let the noise be ceased completely. Please be absolutely quiet.
Please stretch your hands and take the pledge. Do you solemnly and sincerely promise and declare that if admitted to the degree for which you have qualified, you will in your daily life and conversation conduct yourself and become worthy members of the NAP University, Bangalore North University? Shall you promise? Do you solemnly and sincerely promise and declare that to the utmost of your opportunity and ability, you will use your powers for the promotion of true learning and in the service of your fellow men? Do you solemnly and sincerely promise that you will faithfully and diligently fulfill the duties of the profession to which you will eventually belong, and that you will on all occasions maintain its purity and reputation? By the virtue of the authority vested in me as the principal of Srimati Dhanamma Channabasavaya College of Arts, Commerce, Science and Management Studies, I admit you to the degree for which you have been declared qualified by the Bangalore North University. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am, and also a big thanks to all the graduates. You are graduates, not a graduates. Until the certificates are bestowed on you, you are graduates. Please, dear audience, you are requested to witness the program with absolute silence. Thank you. Thank you very much. Excuse me, requested to maintain the appropriate decorum of the commencement ceremony. Thank you very much for your kind cooperation. Difficult roads often lead to beautiful destinations. Therefore, dear all, never give up. The most exciting and much awaited event of this commencement ceremony, that is felicitation of the achievers. The felicitation will go on in this order. First in the row are the Masters of Science, that is students from the MSc stream. Now I request Dr. Anil to call out the names of the toppers of MSc. Please, sir. Also, I appeal our most honorable Secretary, Srimati Usha Gangadhara, to give away the laurels. Please, ma'am.
Mathematics stream, Kusma S, with 7.7 CGPA.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಆಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಓಕೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದೆ ಬಿಡಿ ಹಾಂ ಓಕೆ ಹಾಂ ಹಾಗೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ ಓಕೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನೋಡಿ ಚಾಪಕ್ಕೆ ಇಸ್ಕೊಡಿ.
Thanks to Dr. Anil. The second in the row is the Bachelors of Computer Applications. Now, I request Professor Satyajit Roy, the Vice Principal and Head of the Department of BCA, to call out the names, and it is over to Professor Satyajit Roy. Please, sir.
Respected dignitaries on the stage, dear faculty, and dear
Daniel. A very good afternoon to all. It's my immense pleasure to announce the name of the students who have secured university rank. First, I invite Miss Sandhya GL, a diligent, courteous and obedient student. She has secured first rank in the BCS stream in the Bangalore University. Madam Secretary and guest of honor, SHS and principal to give her the medal and give her a big round of applause.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ರೆಡಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರು ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮುಂದೆ ರೆಡಿ ಸರ್ ಹಾಂ ರೆಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ರೆಡಿ ಸರ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ
Has secured 91.56% and presently working in a prestigious company, CTS, Cognizant. I request all the dignitaries to felicitate her.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಫ್ಲ್ಯಾಶ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಹೊಡಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ಆಮೇಲೆ ರೆಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಓಕೆ ಹಾಂ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿ
In Bangalore North University assisted her with the medal.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮೇಡಮ್
Next, our Madam Principal to I request our Madam Secretary to felicitate her with a trophy.
ಮೇಡಮ್
The centum holders list of the students. I call the names and the students should come in sequence on the stage one by one. To felicitate them. Once again, I request our deputy SHS BC Computer Architecture, Nikita N in Computer Architecture and Microprocessor, Bhavya K in 3 subjects, DCN, Microprocessor and Java. So getting center in one subject only is very difficult. So this student has secured the centers in 3 subjects, as well as she is the second topper and most probable the rank candidate also. Next, Pujita, who has secured centum in Java. Anusha Devi, who has secured centum in microprocessor. Let the felicitation continue with the guest of honor, SHS only. Likita R in microprocessor and computer architecture. In Sirvi, so he has got centum in 3 subjects. Usually there is a myth always girls are topper and girls gets more marks. So here the myth is going to pay and Anil Sirvi has got centum second, Arshia Anju, who has got center in 3 subjects: computer architecture, Java, and microprocessor. So, see, this is the 4 achievements of her. Already, she is the topper. She has secured 99 CGPA, and she has got 3 centums. Really, it's like a miracle. I request. It is absolutely marvelous, amazing. Next, I want to call Rashmi Jaina, who has secured. Again, I repeat: Rashmi Jaina, Prabhalika, Gayatri J. Dixit, Irfana in computer architecture, Charunya in microprocessor, Anusha XP in microprocessor, Avinash in computer architecture. So one day will come only for rank holder, toppers and center we have to make one day. Like how it is a graduation day, there will be one award ceremony day there. Maintain the decorum as safe and anchor. See, this is a very formal function. One more center is there, PA Nikita. It is proved that now boys are also not behind. I'm thankful to the organizer to give me this opportunity. Thank you.
Professor Satyajit Roy, thank you very much. And hearty congratulations to all the achievers. Next event is the presentation of the certificates. I request Professor Shiv Prasad to call out the names of the students who are going to receive the certificates now. Please, sir. Here, sorry for the confusion. Please, dear audience, you are requested to be very quiet. It is your program, and you should have or carry fond memories of this program with you forever. Please cooperate with us. Thank you for your kind cooperation.
1 hour ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
The last in the row are the bachelors of science. I request Professor Mahesh Babu to call out the names of the gold medalists, toppers and silver scorers. Please, sir.
ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್
Please, on the left.
ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿರೇಟ್ ಸರ್.
To honor the gold medalists from Bangalore University in physical chemistry, Shubha N. and Swati.
Sir.
Please give the big round of applause. Got the gold medals. Holder, so has got many centums in all the semesters in almost one or two subjects, who has got an SGP of 9.55 from PCM section. Next is Fiza, who has also got an equivalent SGPA of 9.55.
Namita M from PMCS section. Namita M, SGPA of 9.45. Sorry, he has got the second place. Wadi from Citizen section, who has got SGPA of 9.5 and got first place. They have secured sentence in paper 5. We have I request Monisha to come again to the dais for taking centum in paper 6. And also Fiza Karthik N. And Karthik N have secured centums in 2 mathematics paper. Please give them a big round of applause. Taking centums in 2 mathematics paper is not so easy. Thank you. Karthik AM, Fiza, Karthik N. Again, Karthik N has got totally 4 centums including mathematics and chemistry. He has got 2 centums in mathematics and 2 centums in chemistry, paper 5 and paper 6. Karthik N, paper 6, Monisha, Swati KM, Fiza, Karthik N. Sentence in botany, paper 5. Nandish, roll number 24. Nandish R, roll number 25. Pooja, paper 5. Please maintain silence. If you need to show your happiness, please show through your applause. And paper 6 centums, Nandish R, roll number 24, Manoj G. CBZ, Manoj G has got centum in paper 6, botany. Nandish has got 2 centums in botany, paper 5 and paper 6. Computer has got centum in paper 5. Please maintain the background. Guru Tejas.
Okay.
Madhukar. Satish. Amrita. Dhanalakshmi, Divyashri, Kusuma S, Monika, Vinduta, Padmavati, Rajini G, Rajini R, Saida Sultan, Salma Sultan, Srimati, Sushma Jeevi, and Usha.
Okay. Madam,
Miss Charunya KN. I request the students to maintain silence. Next, Miss Charunya KN, Miss Diksha N, Miss Deepika N, Miss Gayatri J. Dikshit, Miss Gayatri MS, Miss Gautami KR, Gautami KR, Miss Ashita N, Miss Irfana N, Miss Jeevan. Miss K.P. Priyam, Miss Tony Fatima, Miss Kavya Ines, Miss Kirtana K.N. Miss Lekana B, Miss Likita B.N., Likita T.N. I request the students to maintain the auditorium table. Nikita R, Mahalakshmi S, Manasa B, Meghna NS. Please come first. Monica PR, Navya B, Neha Anjum, Nikita E, Pavitra KN, Pooja S, Pujita KU, Pragati A, Pragati HS. Please come in a sequence, proper sequence.
అమ్మ వచ్చిరా తెలుసుకోండి ఇంద్ర అసలు కొన్ని సౌండ్
Pragati M, Pravatika C, Priyanka U, Punya P. Gowda, Rani PR, Rashmi Jayana, Roshni Afrin, Sarika, Sneha A.N. Pravalika, please come first. Please come in order, whichever I have called. Pravalika, Priyanka U, Punya P. Gowda, Rani PR, Rashmi Jayana.
ఓకే
Roshni Afrin, Sarika, Sneha A.N. Next, Sushma S, Swati M, Tabassum Firdaus, Tejaswini B.C., Tejaswini D.N., Vaishnavi M. Please come.
సార్
Come in a sequence. Sushma M. Please maintain silence there. Varsha S, Vidyashri MP, Vidyashri GL, Vijayashri MS, Yashaswini N, Yukti B. Varsha S, Vidyashri MP, Vidyashri GL, Vijayashri, Yashaswini, Yukti B. Akshata B, I request Fatih Pasha, Amanna. Anil CV, Arvind K, Arunachari KS, Balaji GM, Vairesh S, Chandan M, Chandrasekhar BB, Chetan Raj D, Chetan Kumar B. Vairesh, Chandan M, Chandrasekhar BB, Chetan Raj, Chetan Kumar K, Chinmay R. Deshmukherjee, Dheeraj SM, Dilip VS. Please come in a sequence. Don't shout there.
From beginning, you were very silent, disciplined, till end.
Speak. Hemant Gowda PM, Imran Pasha, Junaid Pasha M, Kanagaraju,
ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕೈ ಮುಚ್ಚಬೇಡಿ ಯಾರು ಓಕೆ
Devan Kumar,
6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾರೆ
Karthik G, Kashifullah Khan, Kirti S, Raja Moinuddin R. Please come first. Mahendra C.
ಓಕೆ
Kiran MC, I request Kiran MC. Mahesh Babu V, Mahesh KC, Manohar K. Mahesh Babu V, Mahesh KC, Manohar K. Manoj S, Manoj Kumar G, Mithun Gowda CG, Muhammad Ayub Pasha, Mithun Gowda CG, Muhammad Ayub Pasha, Muhammad Ovesh Pasha, Nandish R.
ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಓಕೆ
Please come in order. Nandish R, Naveen Prasanna, Nitin Kumar A, Pawan Kalyan RV,
ನೋಡಪ್ಪ
Pawan Kumar GS, Pawan Kumar, Nitin Kumar A, Pawan Kalyan RV, Pawan Kalyan, Pawan Kumar GS. Don't shout there, girls.
ನೋಡಪ್ಪ
Prashant Kumar N, Prashant Malya SD, Pratap Gowda, Praveen Kumar A,
ನೋಡಪ್ಪ
Puneet G, Rajesh R,
ಓಕೆ
Ranjit Kumar S, Ranjit V. Thank you very much.
ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ
Gautami CV, Kavya N, Shaya, Lavanya D, Monica S,
क्या पैदा
Miss Monisha KS,
ओके
KG,
ಓಕೆ
Miss Nirsala Jia, Miss Pooja R, make it one. Miss Rashmi B, Miss Sirisha R, Miss Smita R, Miss Vani R, Miss Vinushree DM, Miss Vinutha CM,
ಇಲ್ಲೋಡ್ಮ
Miss Akshita N,
ಇಲ್ಲೋಡಿ ಏ 1 ಅವರ್ ಆಯ್ತು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ
Miss Monisha NS, Laila R, Pavanashri R, Miss Prakriti D, Miss Priya KC, Miss Renuka DN, Miss Satya Tabassum, Miss Sania Tabassum, Miss Shireen C, Miss Supriya PN,
ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಫೋಟೋಗೆ
Miss Supriya M. Gowda, Miss Supriya R, Miss Swati KM, Miss Swati R, Miss Varshini M, Miss Ashwini K, Miss Rekhana M, Miss Manita M, Miss Nandita J, Miss Nayana SR, Miss Tejaswini R, Miss Varshini CS. Boys, get ready?
ರೆಡಿ ಓಕೆ ಹೇಳಮ್ಮ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕಮ್ಮ
Mr. Babu PR,
ಫೋಟೋ ಕ್ಲೀನ್
Mr. Bharat Gowda C,
ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ
Mr. Bharat Kumar Reddy, Mr. Charan Kansi,
ನೋಡಿ
Mr. Dilip K, Mr. Divakar MS,
ಇಲ್ಲ
Mr. Ishwar K,
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಓಕೆ
Mr. Kishore DK, Mr. Manoj Kumar G,
ಇಲ್ಲಡಪ್ಪ
Mr. Mohammad Umair, Mr. Natish R,
ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ
Mr. Natish R. Now I request our Honorable President Ma'am, Srimati Usha Gangadhara, to issue the certificates. Kalyan,
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂದೆಪ್ಪ
Mr. Sanjay K, students, please be seated. Naveen,
ರೆಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂದೆನೇ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಜಾಗ ಸಾಲಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂದೆನೇ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಓಕೆ ರೆಡಿ
Yemen Ullah Khan, Pawan Kalyan, Sanjay K, Shrikant K, Mr. Tanzim Arfat, Mr. Vinay Kumar AD, Mr. Vinay Kumar R,
ಹಾಗೆ
Mr. Vinod P, Mr. Ajit Kumar MP, Mr. Anthony PR, Mr. Yuvraj, Mr. Arvinda MP, Mr. Chennai N,
welcome.
Mr. Vinod P. Mr. Ajit Kumar MP. Mr.
మాట్లాడరా రే
Anjali.
మాట్లాడు నువ్వు నాకు అదే నా పని
Mr. Arvinda MP.
ఇక
Mr. Chaitanya. Mr. Deepak G. Dilip Kumar PM.
ఓకే
Dilip Goda PM.
ఇలాడపా
Mr. Ganeshias.
అన్నా ఇక్కడ అన్నా
Mr. Karthik.
ఇలాడు ఇక్కడ ఓకే ఓకే
Mr. Naveen Kumar P. Mr. Praveen Kumar K. Mr. Raghava Gowda KR.
ఇలాడు ఇక్కడ
Mr. Raghu SR. Sanjay S.
ఇలాపా
Mr. Srikanth P.
రెడీ
Mr. Srikanth KR.
ఇలాడు
Mr. Srikanth K.
ఇలాడు
Mr. Varun R.
ఇలాడు
Mr. Vasant Singh K. Mr. Students, please be quiet.
ఇలాడపా
Mr. M.
ఇలాడపా
Mr. Vishwanath Reddy HR. Mr. Dhanush DA.
ఇలాడపా
Mr. Dilip Kumar GA. Mr. Nasir
ఇలాడే
Devaru HM.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಹಿಂದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಡಪ್ಪ
Mr. Sanjay H. Mr. Umesh Kumar N. Mr. Manjunatha P.
ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿ
Request our guest of honor, Professor Jagdish S.A. to administer the oath to all.
Stretch your hand. Get ready for the move. Earlier we should do this. Now after being receiving your in thought, word and deed, in the discharge of our duties, in our profession, and shall uphold the dignity and the honor of our college. We shall uphold and advance social order and the well-being of our fellow members. Vanished within no time after a marriage, and few go for a job, few for a higher studies. Of course, you have this social media wherein you are all interlinked. You will have that relationship forever till your death. Many new people keep coming. But presently, what next is a question. Absolutely, you are going out of a college with a degree. I should have told you about your responsibility being a graduate. And it's a must for you to listen, even if you are not interested. Esto now, I mean to say now, they were getting the prizes, many symptoms. Toppers. I was wondering, see, majority of the prize winners are only the girls. Majority, I'm saying. I'm not underestimating the boys. Eventually you can find boys will be settled well compared to the girls. So that matters. ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂತು, ಬಿಸಿಲ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಸರ್? 3 ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ದುಃಖ ಪಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕೋ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆಯಾ ಸರ್? ನನ್ನ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಗೆ 5 ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. What I mean to say, even though they are passed, they are very happy. Even if they fail, much more happy. But for girls, even if 1 mark they lose, they keep praying. Don't you feel?
Respected Principal of SCC Independent PU College, Bangapet, Professor Jagdish sir. Principal of SCC Degree College, Kolar, Professor Pushpalata Madam. Respected faculty members, all HODs and my dear students. Congratulations on behalf of SCC, all our students pursuing graduation. Once again, I wish you all the best for your future life. So, thank you very much for all the organizers to conduct this function as well as inviting me and to be a part of this function. Thank you one and all.
Thank you very much. We have come to almost to the conclusion of the program. It's customary to thank all those that have rendered global service to make this program a successful one. I request Professor Abhimanyu to propose a vote of thanks. Please, sir.
It gives me immense pleasure to propose vote of thanks for this particular event. First of all, I thank the organizing hall for making this happen. I extend my gratitude towards the chief guest. In fact, in absentia, I want to thank Dr. Dan. Being as a very crucial and important part of this event. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank Madam President, who has been the very strength, source, motivator, and the one who has always encouraged us for all the events. Professor K. Pushpalata, Principal, our beloved Principal, for being with us, for supporting, constantly supporting and encouraging us for all the events. Thank you, ma'am. Coordinator for PG program. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank all the department heads, coordinators, Prasad, PRO. I
dissolve this graduation ceremony.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Here is an important announcement to all of you. Please listen. An important announcement to all of you. Please listen. You have collected the gowns for this commencement ceremony. You are absolute silence when the national anthem is going on. Please.